So there's so many different conspiracies that have been birthed out of the JFK incident.
Supposedly there are paint markings to locate where that car, and I'm sure these assassins walked this. Okay, they changed the parade route a couple days before. They had a couple days to walk it. I'm sure they did. Measure it out, how many yards, all that stuff. But Kennedy's vehicle basically is going to drive straight into a kill zone. And once it enters that kill box, go, go, go. All the teams.
Do you think those yellow markings that were on the sidewalk curbs, were they for yardage, or was that the place and time where the kill teams were supposed to let
I feel
loose?
like it's a square. Like once he enters that window, green light. Because remember, it's once he gets in there, now remember, they cut some frames out of the Zapruder film. And there's some talk about why did they cut the beginning out? And even Zapruder said it too. I didn't do that.